Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Diary ni Mia. So for today's another video, let's do the product unboxing and trying out this kind of product from the hair care shop, which is the Prizm hot air brush. And yes, I have the product here, guys, and as you can see na medyo basa pa yung hair ko. It's because ito try natin yung product. So
Prizm hot air brush. It comes with the gloves and 2 clips. Plug the appliance and adjust the switch to the selected settings. The sliding button 3-mode settings: Air+Heating, PTC heating can satisfy the needs of 80% styling. Air+Heating setting for drying hair. PTC heating setting for straightening or curling H.
So ito yung off. So ayun guys, ito try na natin ngayon. I'm so excited.
Tips number 1 for styling. Towel dry hair to remove excess water, then run a comb through damp hair for best results. For number 2 tips. For best results, separate hair into manageable sections and dry each sections individually. It's recommended that you use a slow, steady motion when styling thick or curly hair, and repeat on remaining sections until it's been dried into luxurious, soft and silky styles.
Ayan, sobrang ganda niya, guys.
Very happy with this product. It really helps me to save time getting ready in the mornings. Heats up fast. It seems to work best on damp or towel dried hair. It's much easier to use this than to try to. Starting with damp, towel dried hair, probably about 60% dry. As I like to linger with my washed hair over breakfast and tea, I use the heat off and setting to brush through one section at a time. Use the heat off and setting to brush through one section at a time. And before I know it, my hair is dry and beautiful, smooth, straight and frizz-free. Although I did still finish up with my straightener to get the more controlled look I wanted. The Prizm one ended up saving me about half the time of my usual routine, and my hair looks great.
Ayan guys, tapos na po tayo. And sa mga bago dyan, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please push the button below for more videos. And don't forget to click the description box so that you can get the product discount. And of course, guys, see you for the next vlog and see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.